Hey guys, I'm Tanya Curren of TV's Scaly Adventures, and I wanted to demonstrate moving a venomous snake today. We get a lot of questions, emails and texts, and sometimes people send us pictures of snakes that they'll find in their yard or right around their house, and they'll say, how can we move it? So having the proper gear is very important. Now I've got a juvenile copperhead in front of me, and I've got a snake stick in my hand, and I'm wearing snake guards. These are from Midwest Tongs. So these wrap around your legs very easily. They have the two adjustable snaps that go in, and it goes over your boots. We have worn these on our adventures while filming in the woods, and what's great is this will protect your ankle and about the strike distance of a snake if you were to step over a log or in some brush as you're walking, because a lot of times the snake does not want to bite you. It's just a natural defense, and it's protecting itself. So you can get these snake guards and have those on your legs. Also, this snake stick is very easy to have. It's got a little locking lever right here that you can just change with one finger, and that opens up the tongs, or the snake sticks right here, and you can bring it down and you try to grasp the snake right around the upper third of the body gently. And even if it's moving, you can see that it holds it. You can use this with one hand. It's that easy. You're safely moving the snake. It's not crushing its body, which is very important, so it's humane. So you're moving it away from your yard, from your children, so that your home is safe, and then you can take the lid. This is a venomous snake tub from Midwest Tongs as well, so we have several we've used. What we love about that is the locking lid. So you could put a tong in here if you were moving like a really heavy-bodied or bigger venomous snake, but you can just put your hand on the top so it's safely away. Come down and twist it closed. What we like about this also, it's got a place right here so you could put water in. You could even feed it safely so that the animal, again, you're being humane as you're moving it. And it's got a lock. So if you had to put this in your car to take it down to the woods or near water, you don't risk it getting out in your car. So always stay safe. Look for safe equipment. Check out tongs.com. They're our official partner with Scaly Adventures. And students or young people, if you are watching this video, always get an adult. It's very important to be safe and tell an adult if you see a snake. So stay safe on your adventures, and check out scalyadventures.com for more educational spots like this.